Here are a few reasons why your foundation is cakey, is patchy, and your makeup doesn't last. Hi guys, Tracy here. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. And if you're an OG, thank you for sticking around with me. I love you and God bless you. So first of all, make sure your skin prep is layered correctly. Don't joke with your skin prep, guys. Make sure each process is layered correctly and you allow them dry accordingly before you move over to the next step. Then secondly, make sure you use a damp beauty sponge to apply your foundation. Don't take a dry beauty sponge. Your foundation will not sit properly. And also be light-handed when blending your foundation. You don't need to apply too much pressure because you are working on a human. So gently and be light-handed in blending your foundation. Another thing I can say again is that don't layer too much foundation at once. Build your coverage. Take a little on your beauty sponge and apply that to the skin. Blend this seamlessly. Then if there's a need for you to go in again, then you can build your coverage. And also make sure that the skin tone and the undertone matches. Guys, follow this routine and watch this video to the end. You see how I layered my skin prep and how I applied my foundation, my contour, my setting powder, my blush. It's step by step, and this makeup lasted all day. So this video is specifically for people that are still struggling to have a good base, a full coverage, and a seamless blend and a long-lasting makeup. So please like, subscribe, watch to the end, and share this video. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.